Good morning everyone. Before we go out on our run today, we're going to check the diesel first, just see how much fuel's in the tractor. So to do this here on the farm, we use this broomstick as our measurement. So we put it in the tank and dip it in, and it will tell us how much is in there. That's it.
There's two holes down there. Just go steady. And right down to the bottom one, yeah. Seems to be an overboard type of thing.
There's just a little bit of diesel left, so we're going to pour in 2 containers today. Okay, so here comes the diesel. We got Todd pouring the diesel this morning because he's a lot stronger than me. It's a real effort on the body to be able to do this. The way you have to twist and contort your body and hold it steady and strong while this heavy drum is going in. If Todd wasn't here, I'd have to do this, and it's a pain in the ass to do. Especially if my fingers are frozen and I can't feel my fingers. Back in the old days, my grandfather had an automatic pump where you could just roll on up to it and pump it out, just like in a normal gas station. Fingers crossed he'll get that stuff going again so we don't have to do it manually. So now we got the second drum going in.
Yep.
Job complete. Excellent. The diesel tractor is now filled up. Now we can be on our way. We're probably going to go feed some cows or something.